The choice between carbohydrates and protein after exercise depends on your specific goals and the type of exercise you performed. Here's a breakdown of the benefits of each. Carbohydrates have importance, for example, as they help with 1. Energy replenishment. Carbohydrates help replenish glycogen stores that are depleted during intense or prolonged exercise, particularly in endurance sports like running, cycling, or swimming. 2. Recovery. Consuming carbohydrates post-exercise can speed up recovery and prepare the body for the next workout. 3. Hormonal balance. Carbs can help lower cortisol levels, reducing stress and aiding in recovery. Protein have important roles in the body such as 1. Muscle repair and growth. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, especially after resistance or strength training exercises like weightlifting. 2. Satiety. Protein can help keep you fuller for longer, which may aid in managing post-exercise hunger and overall calorie intake. 3. Metabolism. Protein intake can boost metabolism through the thermic effect of food TEF, the energy required to digest, absorb, and process nutrients. Combined intake of both carbohydrates and protein is better as it has several benefits such as 1. Optimal recovery. Combining carbohydrates and protein is often recommended for optimal recovery. The carbohydrates replenish glycogen stores while protein aids in muscle repair and growth. A common ratio is 3:1 or 4:1 carbohydrates to protein. 2. Insulin response. Carbohydrates help trigger an insulin response, which helps with the uptake of amino acids into muscles, enhancing protein synthesis. Here are some practical examples of how to combine these two macronutrients. 1. Endurance exercise. After a long run or cycling session, a meal with a higher carbohydrate content, such as a banana with peanut butter or a smoothie with fruits and protein powder, can be beneficial. 2. Strength training. After weightlifting, a meal with a higher protein content, such as a protein shake with some fruit or Greek yogurt with berries, can be more effective. Ultimately, the best approach often involves a combination of both carbohydrates and protein to maximize recovery and performance benefits. Adjust the balance based on the type and intensity of your exercise and your individual fitness goals.